nail Smoke at second. And he shoots this into right for a base hit. Springer goes after the first pitch. Ben wants thrown 2 pitches and given up 2 hits. A long wait for them as well. Little flare going back, and it's over his glove into right. Springer with a broken bat base hit to start the ball game. Fly ball to right and deep, and this one's going to go. Springer has hit a 3-run home run here in the second. He had 20 home runs in his first taste of big league action. Boy, he waits on this one and drills it to the alley in left center. He is headed for second base with his 3rd hit in 3 at-bats.
They're hitters in the American League.
This ball is drilled to right. This ball is going to go. How about the night for George Springer? His 2nd home run of the night, his 4th hit.
That's where he'll get a lot of his strikeouts.
Springer hits it to right. Bautista got a late break, and this ball is going to hit off the wall. Aoki is being waved home. Here's the throw from Barney, and it is not in time. Lucas Harrell with his 2nd inning of relief. George Springer goes after the first pitch, and we talked about this Astros lineup.
Yank that ball down there, so you got to be on your toes.
Here's the first pitch of the game. It's ripped into the alley by George Springer. That's going to go all the way to the wall. He's around first, headed for second, and he'll cruise in there with a leadoff double.
And a guy with a good on-base percentage, they're putting him in that leadoff spot and getting those extra at-bats.
Ground ball up to middle for a base hit. So as he did last night, Springer gets a base hit in his first at-bat.
And George crushes one way out of here, off the facade of the restaurant in left field. 1-2 pitch. It's punched over the head of Drury with Reddick on the move. Yuli will score easily. Reddick to third, Springer to second, and the Astros add a run.